Hey guys, Meggie here from the Mediterranean Kitchenette, and today we're making a Greek-style veggie bake. This is an easy and satisfying comfort food dish, but it's 100% legal and totally healthy and nutritious. Let's get started. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. Thank you so much for being here and for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more, and thank you so much, guys, and I see you the next time.